Did the Easter Bunny come?
Mommy, see?
Well, let's go see.
Okay. That's a who. Wow. Dinosaur.
Arr.
Did the Easter Bunny come?
Huh? Easter Bunny too. Whoa. What those?
Let's see.
Hey, this is a long giraffe.
That is a long
Look what
giraffe.
happens. Turn it this way.
Mm-hmm.
Turn him upside down.
I think he's a zebra.
Turn him the other way.
Hey, Dad. See?
I see.
Zebra's hit.
Hey, let's not do that. Let's let Papa go. Papa, come here.
Hey, what's this?
Whoa.
Hey, dear.
Look, a hula hoop.
Hey, what's this? Hey,
What's this in there?
what is this?
It looks like a big shovel.
Come, Daddy. Come, Daddy.
Where are we going?
Outside.
We're not gonna. We can't go outside right now. Go scooping. Let's scoop the rest of your.
We can scoop later.
Scooby? What are those?
It's a whole bunch of bugs.
I spit them out.
Did the Easter Bunny do good?
Let's see what these books are. Look, this is Mickey.
And Goofy.
It's a whole bunch. Let's see. It's a whole bunch of stickers. Look. You want one?
I
Which one do you want?
want.
That one a Mickey?
Yeah?
Here, I'll get him started. Come here.
Thanks. Hey!
Here, Noah.
Mom!
Here, go get that sticker.
Look, there's a sticker.
Mommy!
What is that?
Hey, Mom!
Is it a bug?
No. We can't.
You can catch him in your net.
Oh!
Here, you want to put this Mickey sticker on? Here, pull him. Oop, Mickey didn't quite make it.
That's okay.
That's okay.
Okay.
And, come here. Look at these stickers. They're Jake and the Neverland Pirate stickers. Look.
I
You want one of those?
want Jake.
You want Jake?
Hmm?
Want Jake on this glass?
Hey!
See another one?
Yeah!
Which one?
I did clock.
We can get him started. There he is. Pull him real easy. Okay, stick him on. Stick him on your shirt.
Hey!
Yeah, you left his tail. You don't want to get his tail off too?
Put it on his back.
Okay, here we go.
Be careful with that, okay?
Want to put him on you? There he is.
Hey, where did you check tail? Hey, what's his tail?
He doesn't have a tail.
He's got a long neck.
He doesn't have a long neck.
Why don't you open up one of these eggs and see if there's anything in it? Remember how your other eggs had something in it?